It seems like everything these days comes with a monthly bill, from your TV to your fridge. Everyone wants a bit of your hard-earned cash. Some CCTV has succumbed to this tragedy, and if you've already paid for security, you shouldn't then be sucked dry by extortionate fees for file storage. Luckily, the answer's just arrived at the front door. What's just arrived is the brand new SPRO Wi-Fi Doorbell, the perfect companion to any home CCTV kit. Now, you might be familiar with SPRO's existing video intercoms. It's important to distinguish where this new model fits in. It's been designed specifically for domestic properties. It's sleek, modern, and instead of a monitor, you get a stylish chime that can be plugged in anywhere around your house. You get that classic doorbell ring, but with a massive technical upgrade behind it. The uphill battle with domestic doorbells is that never-ending cloud subscription, but with SPRO, we've completely removed that restriction. The unit supports onboard microSD storage up to 256 GB, meaning all your event recordings will be stored locally and securely. And unlike other brands, you don't have to pay extra for AI. Human and vehicle classification come as standard, and so does that siren for the extra layer of security. The doorbell connects wirelessly via Wi-Fi, so you can access your live view and your saved recordings through the same app as your SPRO CCTV. We've switched from the standard 2 megapixel to a 4 megapixel sensor, giving you that much needed clarity 24/7, even when switching to IR at night. Underneath the doorbell is a dedicated light that illuminates your house number at night. Whether it's a 10 PM pizza delivery or an early morning parcel, this light ensures that your house is easily identifiable in the dark. To ensure 24/7 reliability, it's powered by a DC 12-volt supply. And while this means it does require a little bit of wiring into a terminal or a connector, it also means you never have to take it off the wall to charge it. It's a permanent, professional, fit and forget solution. The SPRO Wi-Fi Doorbell is about giving you professional grade security without the subscription trap. If you need any more information, datasheets are available at www.sproccctv.com. And if you have any questions about how this can fit into your home, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to protect your home. Thanks for watching.